how to set up Bolt.diy with a local LLM DeepSeek R1 with 7 billion parameters so that you can now work with your applications without even internet connection. So the application which you are going to use is LM Studio, and this is the interface of LM Studio. You can download LM Studio, and if you go to discover, you can look into the different LLMs which is available. I have downloaded DeepSeek R1 distilled Llama 8 billion version. It's been downloaded 4.92 GB, and I can use just directly in the chat. Look at that. That is a local chat. Even if I disconnect my internet, it's going to work. What is the capital of France? While running, you could see how much RAM it's been using, how much CPU it's been using as well. So it's using 5.25 GB, and CPU usage is for now 0. It's as it finished. So it took 17 seconds, and the answer is Paris. And what I'm going to show you now is, look at that. That's my modules, whatever I downloaded. This is the one I downloaded. It's been a month. And you go to this developer tab, and you could see here this is ready. And if you don't want, you can eject it, and you can load another version as well. These are the endpoints supported, get post of all these endpoints. You simply go here, status, it says stop, and click this button to start your server. And once you click this button, if you notice on the right hand side, the local server is not running. Start the server to able to access the model through API. And once you click this button, the server is reachable at this address, and this is the address. Basically, you just started your own API of your local LLM. So you just copy this one. You can change the ports if you want, but for now I'm just going to leave that as it is for the sake of this video. And go here, look here, LM Studio, and that's the one I have, DeepSeek. Click this pen icon and just paste that's your API key which you copied from here, this link, and that's it. You set build a to-do app. The speed when you run from a local LLM is terrible. It's generating. You can see that from the LM Studio, and look at that, accumulating tokens, server stream response, running chat, and you could see here that is everything from local LLM. You don't need to spend even a single token or single penny. You can disconnect your internet as well. If you like to use the rest of the APIs available on the market, I have another video where it describes exactly how to set up the third-party APIs and run the Bolt.diy, and you can see the speed difference. Look at that. That is not bad. Subscribe to Mr. Wind YouTube channel and like the video, comment on the video, and once you subscribe, select this option and done. And to delete this, I'm impressed. That's good. That's completely local without any token spent, and you can click deploy, one click deploy to Netlify. That is deploying it. I have connected my Netlify from the settings. Do watch my other video, subscribe. That is working. That's it, this video about running Bolt.diy with your local LLM. See you on the next video, guys. Bye.